Hi, my name is Regina.
And I'm Melissa.
And today we are in the interactive plant environment in Emerson's Level factory in Sweden to discuss the smart diagnostic suite of the Rosemount 2140 Level Detector that detects and diagnoses abnormal conditions before they become a problem. The smart diagnostic suite includes 3 diagnostic functions that can be used separately or in conjunction. And today, we will learn how to enable user-defined process alerts that can be set for a range of HART variables.
Yes, so process alerts are used to indicate when process conditions change, so that maintenance can be scheduled in due time. And we will have a closer look at how to enable process alerts for sensor frequency that could be used to detect conditions such as buildup or crystallization forming around the unit. So let's connect to the transmitter and see how this would work using AMS Device Manager.
All user-configurable process alerts are found under the Alert Setup view. Sensor frequency is one of the alerts that can be set and is used to monitor gradual frequency changes over time. Typically, the high and low limits are set between 5 to 10% of the dry vibrating fork frequency. Conditions such as buildup or crystallization forming around the unit could cause the frequency to degrade, while corrosion could cause an increase in frequency. And the same procedure, setting a high and low limit for the selected variable, is applied to enable any of the process alerts.
Whenever the thresholds are exceeded, an alert appears. Press the Diagnostics icon for information on the issue and the recommended action. So with the Smart Diagnostic Suite, operators can reduce the risk of time-consuming and costly process shutdowns by proactively scheduling maintenance before an incident occurs.
And to learn more about the functionalities of the Rosemount 2140 Level Detector, please see related videos or visit our website. Thank you.